My channel where I teach you how to make money fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 44th episode of Top 5 Amazon Print on Demand Niche Research of the Week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the niches I'm going to show you, all of them are related to music, singing, artist, and this is the first niche. It's from the Italian marketplace. It says evolution, so it shows like people evolving from the early man to a saxophonist or saxophone, someone playing saxophone. And the reason why I chose all these shirts is because the reviews, there are no reviews, yet there are sales. So that is always an indication that people have bought it. It has sold in such a way that people haven't had time to leave review. Like it sells in a short period of time and no one has left a review yet. But the shirt have sales. So that's the criteria that I used in choosing all these t-shirts. So this is an example. Look right here. No reviews yet. Yet it has 37 sales. So this is a very great indication that it's trending right now and you should make your own t-shirts as fast as possible. So I'll advise that if you want to make a t-shirt similar to this, what I usually do is if a design is selling, I'll always I take a look at the design. I also go on Amazon and do some research. That reminds me, my upcoming video is gonna be about how to choose your how I go about choosing my niches, as well as doing research with the tools that I use, including Flying Research and Merchant Homer. Someone requested this, so my upcoming video is gonna be about that. But in the meantime, I usually go to Flying Research, as you guys know, and I find a t-shirt, then I make my own. But I usually, like in this case, this evolution, I would, for example, this one is just white text on a black background. If I want to compete against this person, I will make a t-shirt that is has more colors on it, because this one is just white text, and maybe someone will want more color on their shirt, so I'll make a design that has more color. If the design has more color, I will make a design that maybe has an additional text on it or a number, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to go in detail about that in the upcoming video, so stay tuned. So taking a look at this shirt, it's priced $17.99, 37 sales. Look at the trend is up, current trend is up. Look at the BSR, is really selling right now. So I don't know what it is about music right now. All these shirts, like I told you before, all of them are in the umbrella niche of music. This one is saxophone. Let's go to the second niche. The second niche is just those drumming sticks for drummers, gifts for drummers. And also, like the first one, this one also has no reviews yet, but already has sales, an indication of people buying it very fast and not having the time to leave reviews. It's also an indication of trending or a trend. And this is in the Spain marketplace. And the overall trend is up, although it's the BSR reduced, where it's been selling. Look at this. It fell off a cliff here October 22nd. That was not too far ago. It just fell off a cliff. It was selling and selling and selling. It has kind of normalized or falling a little bit, but the overall trend is up. So this one too is also selling. A third niche is in the France marketplace. It says je peux pas jouer guitare. This means I have to play guitar, or yeah, I have to play guitar. And it's also for a gift for guitarists. So also in the musical umbrella niche, price $19.95, over 67 sales, no reviews yet. And you see the BSR 66,944. Let's see the other BSRs. This one 8,000, 3,000. So as you can see, they are selling. So those are very low BSR, guys. Um, Next is this music sign, the music notes. Um, a very cool design. This one too, the BSR 3,000, also low, and 39 plus sales. So it's also doing quite well. And the next is, let's take a look at the BSR. Oh, this one hasn't had time to, um, it's like a new design. Look at this, guys. So let's see when this was submitted. Let's go to Amazon and see when this design was submitted. It looks like a new design. That's why you not see the, so it was submitted 20th March. If Mazo is Mazo March, I'm guessing this is March 2021. Let's see. This is Italian marketplace. I don't speak Italian, so let's Google translate it. Yep, I'm correct. March. So it was submitted March 20th, 2021, and it has already sold a bunch of times. I don't know why this extension is not working on this page. This is the Italian page. Let's go to Amazon.com and see so it was just taking time to load, guys. So it has definitely loaded here. That's the Amazon quick view. This is a productor from Mage Amazon. So this is the one that I wanted to load on this page, but this is the Italian marketplace, and unfortunately it's not loading. So I really don't know why. But anyway, guys, let's get back into our niches. So what I was trying to do was check when the date was first available. So this shirt was first available on March 20th, 2021, and I was suspecting the reason why it hasn't had a BSR up to now is because maybe it's a new shirt, but March is fairly new. That's a fairly new shirt, so I really don't know why the BSR hasn't popped up yet. Anyway, that being said, let's move on to the next niche. This one is also a guitar on fire. It has sold over 48 times, 16.99 euros, and it's an electrical guitar also for music lovers. And it hasn't had time to have reviews yet. That means it's trending. People are purchasing it. And this is also in the Spin Marketplace. And next is this pianist playing the piano, and it's also priced 16.99 euros, over 36 sales in the Italian marketplace. No points or no bullet points, which I would not recommend you do, because putting the bullet points, it's very, very important that you rank, because if I make my own design similar to yours or even better, and I put in my bullet points in my description, I'm obviously going to rank better than you, because you don't have any bullet point or description. If someone search for this on Google, my design is going to pop up before yours, because mine has descriptions and bullet points. So it's very important that you put your bullet points and descriptions no matter what. Um, Even if you're not sure of the keywords, always check your keywords, make sure they're safe before you put in the bullet point and description, because Amazon is going to vet it um, before allowing it on their platform. So our next niche, also a guitar with this heartbeat. I've noticed that many designs have this heartbeat on it. I don't know what it is about this heartbeat. Also with the sunset, people love the sunsets, people love heartbeats, people also love grunge designs. So those are three things that I've noticed that customers like buying. So this is another one just attached to a guitar. You can also make this heartbeat attached to a drum, uh, a heartbeat attached to a piano. That's one of the A6, which is this one right here. Also, a heartbeat attached to a flute. apparently all the musical instruments, a heartbeat attached to a microphone, all of them, it will actually do, because as you can tell, it is selling, and you can tell that it's selling, and the musical niche is huge, but there are less people who are like submit design to it. Let's take for example, let's search for um, flute t-shirts on Amazon. You see that the music is a very broad niche. That's why you see 20,000. But if you niche down to maybe an instrument like a flute, and by the way, so this is a keywords everywhere extension. That's why you see keywords popping up like this. So that I think I'll be in my next video. I'm also going to be talking about this extension. So this is one of the extensions that I use. It puts out keywords like this. It makes it easy for me to find out what people are searching for. This one's in green. Is what the keywords after. This one's red, keywords before. So if you are doing maybe keyword search, I don't usually use this because I have flying upload. I just copy and paste the keyword that I want, and I highlight it and click keywords, and it brings out keywords. So I really don't have use for this, but it just helps me take a look at what people are searching for. If I want to niche down, I can niche down more. For example, this music shirt is a broad keyword, and if I want to niche down, maybe I can go maybe country music shirt. That would be really niching down. Like say it was from 20,000 results, now it has gone to 3,000 results. So what I even wanted to talk about was I wanted to change this music shirt to an instrument, maybe like a flute. I was talking about a flute shirt, yeah, flute shirt, and 445 results. So that's what I was trying to say, that not many people make designs for music shirts. Look at this one, 445 results, you know, from the general music shirt that was like 20,000. So maybe that's why this is trending, is that the music lovers are many, but very few people make music shirts. So with that being said, let's continue with our niches. So our next niche, or we just spoke about this one, also spoke about this one. So our next one is this Carlos. It also has a bunch of sales, no reviews yet. That shows it's trending, and it's just someone's name, the name Carlos. So let me copy that and paste in Google Translate. So funny name, mini man, yeah. So just what I was thinking is what it is. So it is for the name Carlos, someone with the name Carlos. So the reason why I chose this shirt is because so many people have similar names in this world. For example, Cameron. There's so many people with Cameron. There's so many people with James. So many people have similar names. So if you could change these Carlos to maybe all the other names like I talked about, maybe Cameron, all the people with the names Cameron are gonna buy it. If you're gonna change this Cameron to maybe James, all the people with the name James are gonna buy it. So that's the reason why I chose this, because just imagine seeing your name on a shirt. I'm like, wow, I'd like to buy it, you know. So if you have the space and you want to fill it up, that could be an idea to fill it up. Just use your names. You could do names and a definition like this, you know, it'll be pretty funny. Okay, so our last niche is this guitar picks. So guitar picks, also for music lovers. That sold 46 times, no reviews yet, and also in the French marketplace. So guys, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Preneur on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.